Hurricane Dorian.
Homes wiped away.
Please pray for us.
Category 5 pulled in to swim.
145 miles an hour.
I don't think this is the end of it.
Have already started boarding up, ordering a mandatory evacuation.
This is not the time to relax.
A place that we know that is really vulnerable. That's Charleston, South Carolina.
Listen, we've only been here for 2 weeks.
Freaking Category 5 hurricane.
I don't know what the hell.
We have to board up our windows or something?
Oh, this is
Where's
like
my screwdriver?
kitchen. Look at these grapes though. Trader Joe's is where it's at. They're so crunchy.
The screwdriver!
Oh.
Thank you.
Did you hear that crunch?
Come on. I've never known that boards came with houses, but I didn't think we'd have to use it this soon. You know how to do it though, right? I just have to get them out.
Yeah, I got it.
There we go. We need this.
Shout out to my mom for hooking it up.
All right, so we know we got the Ozark right here. Be careful with it.
Box.
Here, watch your fingers. We got our Skinny Pop, peanut butter, powder, Cocoa Lights, biggest light pack ever. 70 calorie Fiber One bars, 70 calorie Fiber One brownies. Oh, this is necessary right here for a hurricane. What else? Batteries. Oh yeah, we'll be able to soak it all up.
Yeah, so. What do you mean soak it all up? Like you're just gonna soak up the flood with the paper towels?
Yeah, we had a lot of paper towels. There's gonna be a lot of water. What the heck is that?
Bonus gold mini fold. Emergency.
Oh, what are they? You say, and
So I get kind of nervous filming for no reason, but yeah.
She's a baby.
Plot twist, we saw that there was a flight going home, even though all of them would like sell out right when you're about to book it. Then we got one, Frontier.
Out of Charlotte.
Yeah.
Which is like 3 hours away.
Which is so annoying. But we did not want to deal with this hurricane, so.
So all this preparation for nothing.
You guys definitely have everything. You guys definitely have everything. 2 flashlights and lanterns, these 2 matching sleeping bags.
My mom literally got us 2 matching sleeping bags.
I got you 6 matching blankets.
We just left Charleston. Things are great.
Like 3-hour drive. We might miss our flight because it was just so last minute. We just had to get ourselves in balance.
We tried Savannah. We tried Myrtle Beach. We tried Columbia. Finally, we got one out of Charlotte to Newark. This is our first go around as far as like the whole hurricane. We watched the local news. We heard how serious they said it was going to be. We heard the different categories. I mean, this is our first. Yeah, this is our first time ever even tuning in, trying to find out about hurricanes. So now we'll get a bird's eye view from it back home, and then this way we'll be able to assess it a little better next time it happens.
We haven't eaten all day.
I've been eating Trader Joe's crunchy almond butter. Anything in the fridge is gonna be like spoiled. So.
Guys, Joey literally ate this whole jar of almond butter like while he was driving. Just eating it with a spoon, like out of the jar.
It's Trader Joe's crunchy almond butter.
It
no
is
salt
so
added.
It is so good. We went on a Trader Joe's shopping spree before this, so get the grapes and the almond butter. And there's cotton candy grapes. Just adding that because they're so good. They literally taste like cotton candy, but they're only in like the fall season. So we have to go on the next flight because
The saga continues.
Why do we have to go on the next flight again?
Because they can't put. We're too late to check our bag.
Oh, we're too late to check our bag. So we are going on the 10:30 flight. Say what's up.
Hey.
Yes, when we were in ballet, we gave the people our grapes and they loved them. Like the one guy gave to his friend. They were so about it. And now we are getting something to eat because we haven't eaten since like lunch. So I got my matcha. Honestly, would just eat anything at this point.
Look at the menu right here.
We're gonna look at the menu. So we got our food and it actually looks so good.
First meal of the day.
Yeah.
9:43 p.m.
If If you're wondering why Joey is lugging around a box, it's because...
It's because it's a whole bunch of video equipment for work. So I had to bring it with me. And I couldn't let it get wiped away in the hurricane, you know? That's my bread and butter.
What should we say for our ending?
So basically, we ended up watching the hurricane from home in Pennsylvania. And it ended up not even being too bad. I mean, I understand why everybody freaked out, but in hindsight...
It was bad everywhere else, like, so bad, but when it came here, it wasn't.
It was bad, but it wasn't devastating.
What did you say? Can you say something like that?
See you later, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to our vlog. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. And if you didn't like the video...
So yeah, and let us know if you want to see any different kinds of videos in the future.